So how Program 2 is helping is trying to make measurement and assessment of soil properties that are useful in decision making far more accessible and quicker and cheaper. Traditional collecting samples is quite onerous, sending them back to laboratories and waiting. If we can enable farmers to have the capacity to be able to sense a lot of this information using new technology, new sensor capabilities and new communication, they can get that information instantaneously or at least very quickly. And so they can measure when they want. They're not at the behest of a laboratory and sending samples out. And we're trying to tailor the data to fit the types of outputs that farmers understand and can utilise more readily. There's 12 major projects, so there's an enormous amount of work being done. Some of the highlights would be, I think, our work within sensor development and moving that towards commercialisation, but also VAS, which stands for Visualising Australasian Soils, which is a database that allows us to share visually soil data. Other work which is actually going to the farmer groups and asking them about the types of measures and tests they have at the moment and which are the most valuable to them within particular systems and what might be missing. With some of the sensor development, we want to try and commercialise that. So we've got a number of commercial partners that are interested in what we've done and want to take that and run with those devices. All those conversations are going on now and they will be the focus so that when the CRC ends, it ends with a very strong legacy and lots of things tied up in a bow or being able to continue on through others' work. So I think as a program leader, it's very exciting to see the development in people's data, soil research, just their growth in the period of the Soil CRC. So Soil CRC has been a great developer of people from project leading capability, obviously from research high degrees, getting qualifications and getting connections. Connecting scientists with farmer groups is absolutely amazing. And I think overall, it's one of the first times I've ever seen in my career in soil science where we're actually working with social scientists, we're working with computer programmers and engineers, as well as just the usual soil scientists. And I think that's one of the real legacies of the Soil CRC will be, and that's been very exciting.